what is a second charge mortgage, why you would need a second charge mortgage, and how to get a second charge mortgage. As the name suggests, a second charge mortgage is basically a second mortgage on your property, but it will be at a much higher rate. And usually the second mortgage has the power to repossess your property if you default in payments. Moving on to the second point, why would you need a second charge mortgage? Suppose you're a parent and you want to give some more money to your child, but you don't want to remortgage your house and you want to keep your initial first mortgage in place so you're not charged an early repayment fee to leave that mortgage. This is a perfect scenario where you would use a second charge mortgage to avoid those charges, and it makes the whole process just a little bit more smoother. And while it's still more expensive, it's still a lot cheaper than a lot of loans out there, and you can release a lot of equity by using one of these products. And lastly, how to actually utilize this. How could you get a second charge mortgage on your property? Well, the first thing is, do you have equity in the property in the first place? What I mean by this is the market value of your property minus the current mortgage, and that'll be the equity that you own in that particular property that you want to get a second charge on. For example, if you have a £400,000 house, that's the market value, and you currently have a mortgage of, let's say, £100,000 on that property, the equity that you own in that property would be £300,000. Now, most second charge lenders will lend to you up to around 85% loan to value. So what that means is, if the value of the property is £100,000, they'll lend to you up to £85,000. Now, this includes your initial mortgage that you've taken out and the mortgage you'll be applying for, which is the second charge mortgage. Now, this is just a short video explaining to you straight to the point what a second charge mortgage is. If you want any more information about a second charge mortgage or any other types of mortgage products, just put a comment below. Or if you're looking for a mortgage broker, we're also able to help with that too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Like and subscribe if you want to learn more about property on our channel.